So my original factory navigation in the R32 just started doing this. Any ideas? How do I fix this? So my original factory navigation in my R32 just started doing this weird thing. Any ideas on what causes this and how to fix it? Leave me a comment. Let me know if you have seen this before with the MFD version G factory navigation on the Mark IV. Thanks.
2 hours later.
Little update on the MFD navigation freaking out on me. Thank you to one of my internet friends for telling me they had the exact same problem and how to fix it. So here is the solution if you happen to have this pop up in your Mark IV or 20-year-old Volkswagen that has this particular navigation. Right in the middle of the screen here, ignore this wire, you see there's a small indentation. That is where the screen is able to pivot. And it pivots in all 4 axes. But if you have it freaking out, all you have to do to fix it is push in on both of those. Just like that, it reseats it and everything is good. Mischief managed. Thank you much for your support and on to better things.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.